Okay, Gemini, listen to me carefully. I want to improve my English speaking, so guide me what to do and what not to do in easy English.
To improve your English speaking, focus on practicing regularly. Try speaking to others, or even to yourself. Listen to English music or podcasts, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. What kind of practice are you thinking about?
Guys, welcome back once again in this video. Now in this video I am going to start a conversation with Gemini, live conversation, so I can improve my English speaking, and I'm gonna tell you that how I am improving my spoken English by using this AI app or by using any app like ChatGPT, Gemini or any app. Now I am in this video I am going to start a conversation with Gemini, and this video is for everyone whosoever, whether beginner, pro level speaker, native speaker, or students or job seeker, whosoever. Believe me, if you watch this video till the end, you can improve your English speaking easily. But before that, guys, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So okay, let's start a conversation. Again, one more thing is that on Gemini it has total 10 characters, so you can choose according to your selection. Here one more thing is that this is not a promotional video. This video is for educational purpose only. First of all, open the Gemini app, and if you cannot able to use it, then just clear the data of this app and then reopen it and just click on this option. Okay, it has the voice option. You can click it here. You can choose your character and ask Gemini anything you want to looks like this is my Gemini app, sorry. Now I am going to open it, and I have opened already it. Now I am going to tap the voice search, voice chat option. I have already clicked it. Now I am going to ask Gemini that, hello Gemini, how are you? Just listen carefully what Gemini will reply me.
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay Gemini, listen to me carefully. I want to improve my English speaking, so guide me what to do and what not to do in easy English.
To improve your English speaking, focus on practicing regularly. Try speaking to others, or even to yourself. Listen to English music or podcasts, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. What kind of practice are you thinking about?
Okay, for example, I am a beginner, so at the initial level, what I can do to improve my English speaking?
Start with simple things. You can try repeating simple phrases or describing your day in English to yourself. Watching short videos with subtitles can also be helpful. The key is to start small and be consistent.
Here one more thing is that already I have sought few videos on ChatGPT that how you can improve your English speaking using ChatGPT voice option. Similarly, you can improve your English speaking by using this Gemini voice option. Now I am going to again ask ChatGPT few questions. Okay Gemini, act like a mentor and ask me a few questions.
As your mentor, I'm curious about your goals. What specific areas of English are you hoping to improve the most? And how much time are you ready to dedicate to practice each week?
Okay Gemini, I got you. Just take that I am a beginner, okay, and at the initial level I just need to improve my English. So what to do at this moment?
Right now, let's focus on building a foundation. We can start with simple vocabulary and basic grammar. A good practice is to label things around you in English and try to form simple sentences. Also, try to listen to English for a few minutes each day. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds good also, but could you please ask me a simple short question so I can answer you to improve my English speaking? Sometimes it will take time according to your network.
To start, what did you do today?
Here Gemini asked me that what did I do today. Here for example, if you could not able to understand the answer, understand the question, then you can ask Gemini to make it clear. Hello Gemini, actually I did not get you. Could you please clarify what you have asked me?
I just asked, what did you do today? I'm curious about your day.
Now I am going to answer this Gemini. I did all my homework. I went to school as I am a part-time teacher.
That's great. So you were busy with your teaching. Did you teach any particular subjects?
As I am from English department, so I teach English subject.
That's perfect. You have a great advantage because you're always surrounded by English. Perhaps you can try introducing some new phrases into your lessons or practice explaining concepts in different ways. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds good. Ask me anything else or any questions. Sometimes Gemini will take time because according to your network, it will provide you the exact answer. It will provide you correctly. It will perform correctly. Okay, forget this. Due to poor network quality.
No problem at all. We can switch gears. What would you like to talk about next?
Just ask me anything you want.
Okay. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is journey, studying book, listening to music.
Those are great hobbies. Traveling and studying can be wonderful ways to relax and learn new things. Do you have a favorite place you've traveled to?
Okay, Gemini, enough for today. We will discuss next day. So thank you. Goodbye. So in this way, you can ask Gemini any question and Gemini will answer your question. Also, you can ask Gemini to ask you any question. Similarly, as I asked Gemini to ask me any question and I am providing answer to it. So in this way, I hope you got to that. In this way, you can improve your English speaking easily by using Gemini or any AI app, 𝗙GPT, Gemini. There are so many AI apps to improve your English speaking. Must use it. Don't take pressure. It will guide you and it will never judge you. It is the best partner in your life. You don't need to pay any single penny. You don't need to join any offline batch, any offline coaching center to improve your English speaking. So in this video, if you find out this video at least a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye.